My name is Craig Mullen from Hearing Products International. Today I'm going to demonstrate the Swissvoice 2155 for you. I will go through what you receive, the contents that you get with the phone, some of the main features of the phone, and then I will go through the orientation and show you what all the buttons are and how they work. So cover off first of all the contents. So I'll show you here first of all what you will get in the set. So you'll get the handset. You will see this in much closer detail, but you get the handset and the base unit with that. You get your mains power adapter, your telephone line. You will also get telephone line converter, 3 AAA batteries for your phone, easy to fit in at the back. A user guide, full details of all the functions, how you set it up and how it works. And also you can see on here there's 4 pictures. They have a plastic cover on them. You will get replacement covers with them as well. So what I'll do now is I'll go through some of the features of the phone. First of all, starting with the handset. So it does have 3 levels of volume that you can adjust on the handset. I will show you in more detail later on how that works. Same with the bass units, that comes with 3 levels. It also comes with an audio boost key. So if you're on the phone you can't hear too well, or you need to hear more clearly, then there's one button to press and it'll give you an audio boost of 30 decibels. To the ringtone itself, to avoid missing any calls, 90 decibel ringtone you can go up to. They do come with talking keys as well, so you can hear the number dialed back to you, and to ensure there's no dialing mistakes. Does come with hands-free function, is hearing aid compatible, also has an answering machine with 30 minutes recording time, and also if there's a power fail there is a backup, so you can use the handset within that base for up to 4 hours of a power fail. So there's some of the main features of the phone. I will go into more detail now, which will show the orientation and what buttons do what. So starting with the base unit first of all, so I'll just take that away. I'll show you the base unit. So at the bottom here you will see there is a large backlighted call indicator, so when the phone rings that will light up red, so you can see it as well as hear the phone. Just above it there's a smaller light, that's for the answering machine, so that will be on when the answering machine is switched on. It will light up red. If there's a new message in the system it will flash. Just moving up to these pictures here, so 4 memory buttons that you can attach a picture to, so easy ring of your loved ones. The phone will alternate between ringer and recorded voice, so you can record a voice of whichever person it is, and then the phone will ring and then say that recorded message as well, so you know exactly who you're ringing. Just moving to the buttons below, you've got a rewind key. So this is for the answering machine. It will replay the message from the start if you're listening to it, if you wish to. If you press it twice, it will skip to the previous message. Moving on to this one, so this is a play key. So you press that to play the message. If you want to stop it, you just press it again to pause it. Moving on to this key here, waste bin key. If you want to delete a message, you just press that. When the phone is just in idle mode, if you press it and keep it pressed for a few seconds, it will just delete all your messages. Next one below, the power button. So that's for the answering machine. So if you want your answering machine on, you just press that and it will turn it on, and again you'll see the red light just above. Press it again and it'll turn it off. Play and pause key. So if you want to slow down the message playback, you just press that button and it will play at a slower speed for you. Speaker button, so if you want to make, answer or end a call through the base unit rather than the handset, then you can press that button. If you answer it, there is a volume speaker there, so you can use just the base unit to make a call. Just moving on, I'll just flick it round to the side. At the side of the unit you've got a couple of buttons. So first of all, just below is a pager button, so you press that button and it will page your handset, and it'll ring for about 60 seconds. Just above it, mentioned before that there's adjustable bass volume with 3 levels. That's how you adjust it, just an up and down switch. Lowest at the bottom and then up 3 levels. So that's the bass unit. Just moving on to the handset now. So I'll just take you through all the features, functions of this handset. So just at the top, same as a bass unit, it's got a large backlighted call indicator right at the top, which will flash for any phone calls. Just below you can see A, B, C and D. They are additional memory call buttons. So if you want to dial any numbers stored in there, one pressed button to dial. Just below the OK button, that's for your menu screen. So you press it to go into menu, and then if you want to select anything, you just press the OK button. To the right of that, phone book. So simple press and it'll take you into the phone book. Buttons below that, you've got the green and red. Green is, as you'd expect, you press to answer a call. If you want to make a call, you press that and then dial a number. It also works your speakerphone as well. The red button, exact opposite, you can use that to end the call. Also, if it's ringing and you want to suppress the ringer, you just press that red button and it will cut the dial tone out. Just in the middle of that, you've got your arrow buttons. Up button is to scroll through the menu to look at all your options. It also, if the phone is just in idle mode, that is to increase the volume. Button below is to scroll down through the menu, also to turn your volume down in idle mode. So you've got your large buttons below, which you can see, easy dialing numbers, and again if you press it, it will be talking keys. Buttons at the bottom, so you've got your star button, that's just in your menu for adjusting the characters. So if you want to move from uppercase to lowercase, you just press the star key. The hash button, you can answer, you can press that to answer, and it's also when you've got an incoming call and when you're on the phone, you've got an incoming call and it gives you a call alert, you can press that to answer it as well. I'm just going to move again to the side of the phone. So I'll mention about the audio boost key. There is the button at the top, one simple button, you press that and it will give an audio boost of the person's voice for 30 decibels. So you've got your volume control levels, which we've seen, you've got 6, 3 on the bass unit, 3 on the handset, but also one press, and it will give you that audio boost. Just below that, mention them, so your volume control levels, so you can get it to start from the minimum, get it to the level that is most suitable for you, and then again audio boost. So that is the orientation of the Swissvoice phone. Easy and simple to use, large keys, you've got your memory keys, you've got your talking keys. If you've got any further questions, you can go to our website, which is www.hereforyou.com. Thank you.